Now further interchanging the degrees of comparison. Carefully study the following examples. Superlative: Jupiter is the biggest planet. Comparative: Jupiter is bigger than any other planet. And positive: no other planet is as big as Jupiter. See, big, bigger, biggest, right? These are the three comparative, superlative, and positive forms. So that are being used in the three sentences. So further let us study superlative. The dog is one of the most faithful animals. Comparative: the dog is more faithful than most other animals. Positive: very few other animals are as faithful as the dog. Comparative: cell phones are most reliable than landline phones. Positive: landline phones are not as reliable as cell phones. Now rewrite these sentences in all possible ways by changing the degree of comparison. Degree of comparison change करके आपको ये सारे sentences लिखने हैं. Number one, Amitabh Bachchan is the most versatile Indian actor. Right? So next is the most versatile Indian actor. This is which form? It is most versatile, मतलब superlative form हुआ. अब दूसरे दो में आपको करना है comparative में and positive में. तो what you will do? No other Indian actor is as versatile as Amitabh Bachchan. Then Amitabh Bachchan is more versatile than any other Indian actor. More versatile मतलब क्या हुआ? Comparative form हुआ. And no other Indian actor is as versatile as Amitabh Bachchan is positive degree. Then Switzerland is one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Most beautiful, again this is superlative. How will you change it? Very few countries in the world are as beautiful as Switzerland. That is positive degree. And Switzerland is more beautiful than most other countries. That is comparative. Mrs. Adhikari is one of the most popular teachers in our school. Most popular. Then how will you change it? Very few teachers in our school are as popular as Mrs. Adhikari. That is positive. Then Mrs. Adhikari is more popular than most other teachers in our school. That is comparative. January is the coldest month in India. In India, January is colder than any other month. In India, no other month is as cold as January. Then Mount Everest is higher than any other peak. No other peak is as high as Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak. She is not so good a singer as a dancer. She is a better dancer than a singer. इसका एक ही form possible है, right? So now I'm focusing it on the answer key. Again, if you want, you can just refer it. You can pause the video, note down the answers so that you can get a better idea and do not make spelling mistakes in that. And then we shall start interchanging simple and complex sentences. If you want, you can pause the video here and write down all the answers, copy down them, right? Okay, now let us move on to interchanging simple and complex sentences. Carefully study the following examples. Simple: she gracefully accepted her defeat. Complex: she gracefully accepted that she had been defeated. Simple: Jaipur, commonly known as the Pink City, is well connected with Agra, Delhi and Agra. Complex: Jaipur, which is commonly known as the Pink City as well as is well connected with Delhi and Agra. Simple: he is working hard to get better grades. Complex: he is working hard so that he may get better grades. Simple: she is too noble to play these dirty games. She is so noble that she would not play these dirty games, right? That को ऐड किया है, इसको कंजंक्शन को ऐड करते हैं and then we shall change the form of the sentence, right? Now simple to complex कैसे change करते हैं, that we shall study. Change a word or a phrase into a subordinate clause using a subordinating conjunction. What I said here, यहाँ पे हमने that को डाल दिया है mostly सब जगह पे. See, she gracefully accepted her defeat. She gracefully accepted that she had been defeated. Defeat का she had been defeated कर दिया. That is the subordinating conjunction, right? Jaipur, commonly known as the Pink City, is well connected with Delhi and Agra. Jaipur, which is commonly known as the Pink City, so which is your conjunction? He is working hard to get better grades. He is working hard so that is a conjunction, he may get better grades. She is too noble to play these dirty games. She is so noble that she would not play these dirty games, right? So adding a subordinating conjunction will help you to change the sentence from simple to complex, right? So let us do it. Subordinating conjunctions are that, if, whether, etc. नाउन क्लॉजेस के लिए बिकॉज हमें वहाँ पे व्हाट का क्वेश्चन में आंसर मिलता है, सो दैट इज मोर प्रेफरेबल, दैट, वेदर, इफ. देन हु, दैट, विच, एक्सेट्रा फॉर एडजेक्टिव क्लॉजेस. नॉर्मली विच आता है ज़्यादातर एडजेक्टिव क्लॉजेस को इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए. व्हेन, वेयर, इफ, ऑल्दो, बिकॉज, दैट, सो दैट, एक्सेट्रा आर ऑल फॉर एडवर्ब क्लॉजेस. एडवर्ब क्लॉजेस के कंजंक्शंस ये हैं, राइट? नॉर्मली इससे इंट्रोड्यूस होते हैं. नाउ कॉम्प्लेक्स टू सिंपल. चेंज द सबॉर्डिनेट क्लॉज इनटू अ वर्ड और अ फ्रेज. सबॉर्डिनेट क्लॉज को चेंज करके वर्ड को बना दो या फ्रेज में डाल दो. सेम वे इसका उल्टा करना है. मतलब शी ग्रेसफुली एक्सेप्टेड दैट शी हैड बीन डिफीटेड. शी ग्रेसफुली एक्सेप्टेड हर डिफीट. डिफीट को डाल दिया, ये सबको उसने सिग्निफाई कर दिया, राइट? सो वी आर एडिंग अ सिंगल वर्ड इन प्लेस ऑफ अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स. So that way you can change from complex to simple. So let us study now. Let us do the exercise. I will solve all the answers. I will narrate the answers so that you get a better idea of how we change it, right? Exercise 10. Change the following simple sentences into complex ones. हमें simple to complex करना है यहाँ पर. India is certain to become a superpower in the near future. It is certain that India will become a superpower in the near future. It is certain that India will become a superpower in the near future. The offer was too tempting to resist. The offer was so tempting that I could not resist it. Right? Yeah, no one could resist it. In spite of having a very good theme, the movie failed to impress. Although the movie had a very good theme, it failed to impress. They launched a publicity campaign to popularize their goods. They launched a publicity campaign so that they can popularize their goods. My parents were delighted to hear the news of my promotion. My parents were delighted when they heard the news of my promotion. The game show KBC, anchored by Amitabh Bachchan, proved to be a great success. The game show KBC, which was anchored by Amitabh Bachchan, proved to be a great success. But for the wholehearted support of my parents, I would not have become the Indian Idol. If my parents had not supported me wholeheartedly, I would not have become the Indian Idol. Right? Now next exercise, exercise 11. Change the following complex sentences into simple one. अब यहाँ पर आपको उल्टा करना है, right? कॉम्प्लेक्स का सिंपल किया था, सॉरी सिंपल का कॉम्प्लेक्स किया था. अब हम लोग कॉम्प्लेक्स का सिंपल करेंगे. I am responsible for what I do. What I do, ये हमारा ये है क्लॉज है, तो उसको कैसे करेंगे? I am responsible for my actions. Right? He wanted to know why he had been dismissed. He wanted to know the reason of his dismissal. Those who live in glass houses should not throw stones at others. Those living in glass houses should not throw stones at others. He stayed at home because he was ill. सॉरी इसका आंसर नहीं बताया मैं. दोज हु लिव इन ग्लास हाउसेस शुड नॉट थ्रो स्टोन्स एट अदर्स. दोज लिविंग इन ग्लास हाउसेस शुड नॉट थ्रो स्टोन्स एट अदर्स. ही stayed at home because he was ill. He stayed at home because of his illness. Although he had a decent score, she could not get admission. Although she had a decent score, she could not get admission to a good college. In spite of having a decent score, she could not get admission to a good college. Even if you are very careful, you are likely to make mistakes at times. In spite of being very careful, you are likely to make mistakes at times. These proposals cannot be implemented until the chairman accepts them. Right? These proposals cannot be implemented without the chairman's acceptance. Accepts them का acceptance हो जाएगा. Now exercise 10 and 11, I will just focus it on the answer key. In case if you have any query, you can just note down the answers in your notebook. I have already narrated the answers here in the video, but still I am focusing it. You can pause the video here. I am focusing it for 2 to 3 seconds. You can pause it and you can write down the answers. This is exercise 11. Okay, now interchanging simple and compound sentences, we shall do it next time. I think we stop here today because otherwise it will be very confusing. We are left out with only 2-3 exercises, so that we shall continue next time. सिंपल एंड कंपाउंड इंटरचेंजिंग हम लोग नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे. अभी तक मैंने जो आपको अंडरलाइन करवाया है, प्लीज़ राइट डाउन दिस इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स विच आई हैव मेड यू मार्क्ड एंड राइट डाउन ऑल द सेंटेंसेस, बिकॉज ऐसे आप नहीं अंडरस्टैंड कर पाओगे कि कैसे चेंज हो रहा है. ये सारी एक्सरसाइजेज आपको लिखनी पड़ेगी नोटबुक में, बिकॉज यहाँ पे आप उसका आंसर लिख के ये नहीं कर सकते हो. देर आर नो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, राइट? सो यू हैव टू राइट ऑल द एक्सरसाइजेज. दिस राइट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, बिकॉज अदरवाइज सिंपल कंपाउंड एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं समझ में आएगा. ये लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एक्सरसाइजेस लिखो, जहाँ जहाँ मैंने मार्क करवाया है इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, प्लीज़ राइट देम. राइट, प्लीज़ राइट देम. ये एक्सरसाइजेस लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. जहाँ पे भी मैंने टिक करवाया है, प्लीज़ राइट देम. ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स है, प्लीज़ राइट देम इन योर नोटबुक सो दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कैसे इंटरचेंजिंग ऑफ सेंटेंसेज होता है. आई हैव जस्ट टिक मार्क द एक्सरसाइजेज. यू जस्ट हैव अ व्यू ऑफ दिस. ये लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. दीज आर जस्ट एग्जाम्पल्स. सो आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू टू राइट ऑल दिस, बट एटलीस्ट आपने जो एक्सरसाइजेस सॉल्व करी हैं, जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स बॉक्सेस में दिए हुए, वो प्लीज़ आप लिखिए. राइट? So that will give you a better idea of the concept. We stop here now.